Well, it's all playing again. I got the speaker fixed. A little glue and a coffee filter. That took some of the rattle out of it. I had to replace 2 resistors. They were way out, about a little over 20%. Cleaned the tuner up. I thought that they're rubbing together, but I think it was just dirt. I'll get rid of all the scratchiness. So far so good. I got the cabinet all done. I decided not to repaint it. I just put little, got as close match as I could and just touched it up. I figure it's better to have a couple little teeny spots than one bad paint job. So it'll be on the cabinet or on a shelf or something, and you'll never notice it from across the room. So that should be fine. And I repainted the back of the dial, got as close to the original colors as I could, and did the pointer in yellow, which was, I believe, the original color. It was pretty faded, but that's what it looked like. And I got the speaker repaired. It still rattles a little bit when it gets too loud, but that's okay. It's not going to be real loud, so it'll be alright. I'll put it back together.
Johnny Dollar.
Lieutenant Garcia, Johnny. Are the boys in the police car still there?
There are 3 police cars here now. They've searched the apartment house from top to bottom.
Any luck?
No, Eddie got away. I didn't dare make a move to stop him. He was going to shoot his sister.
Well, we'll get him, Johnny. Don't worry about it.
I don't intend to. My job now is to locate $100,000 worth of stolen furs, not to go after Eddie Monty.
It's the same job, isn't it?
Probably. Did you see that list of his friends Carla gave me?
I just put...
That sounds good.
On that warehouse
Everything,
robbery, but...
Mixon is 62.
Seems to work great.
He's been doing play-by-play since 2005. And college basketball's legendary Coach K explains why next season will be his last.
The winningest coach in Division I college basketball history, Mike Krzyzewski, announced today that next season will be his last. He will retire from coaching at Duke and get to be a full-time husband.
The reason we're doing this is because Mickey and I have decided the journey's going to be over in a year.